On June 12, 2024, police were called to a Ross store after reports of a woman refusing to leave. Dispatch informed officers that she had ignored multiple requests from staff to exit. When they arrived, the woman was still seated near the checkout lanes. This is what happened next.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
So I had this lady here. She was trying to buy merchandise. Unfortunately, I cannot give her a discount. She said her brother, I have to follow Ross policy. She does not want to leave the store, and I'm gonna have to trespass.
Okay, ma'am. Can you hear me? Okay. You have to leave the store,
I'm
right?
hard of hearing, so.
So you gotta leave the store, all right? If you refuse to leave, you'll be subject to arrest. Okay? You have an ID on you? Can I get your ID?
I'm gonna say no, like everybody else is telling me no.
You said what? Are you refusing to leave? Like I said, if you do not leave, you'll be placed under arrest. Okay? They're asking you to leave. They're not going to give you the discount. Okay? Are you refusing to leave? I'm going to give you one more time.
It's ridiculous.
How is it ridiculous?
I just want a discount.
You just want a what?
I just want a discount. They give their employees discounts, and my boyfriend works for the company, and he has my money. So I don't have the money.
Well, they're not going to give any discounts.
But they won't. Okay, that's fine. That's fine if they won't give the discount, but they won't hold the close for me.
They don't have to hold it close for
I
you.
won't hold them.
Okay? It's just what?
If they're fully and safety.
Okay? So you have to leave the store. Okay? There's nothing I can do about it. Turn it. She refused to leave. You're going to be placed under arrest, okay? For trespass after warning. I've given you more. Yes, you are.
I'm allowed to be in the store.
Not if they're asking you to leave.
Yeah,
She told you to leave. You're not going to be able to speak to the owner of Ross. You got one more time. I'm going to ask you one more time. And if you do not leave, you're going to be placed under arrest. Okay, so
Please don't hurt me.
you need and leave.
Next on 3, next.
If you do not leave,
Will you hurt me if
I will place you under arrest.
will you hurt me?
I will place you under arrest. Okay.
You guys really want to prosecute?
Yes. Hey, you guys want to prosecute, right? Do you guys want to prosecute if she doesn't leave?
I'm sorry?
Do you want to prosecute if she doesn't leave?
Prosecute press charges?
Yes.
Can I contact my store manager about this?
If you say you guys don't want to press charges, we are going to leave without removing her from the property. If you guys want to press charges, we'll place her under arrest for trespass after warning.
Let me verify with him, and then I'll have you. Thank you, guys.
All right, they're calling their store manager. If you do not leave by the time they get off the phone with him, you're going to be under arrest.
Doesn't have to be this way. I just want a discount.
We're telling you to leave.
I just want a discount.
You don't just get discounts because you want a discount. So you can leave or you can be placed under arrest if you want to prosecute. It's as simple as that, man.
You're seriously going to arrest me for trying to get a
What discount are you wanting?
My boyfriend gets 20% off and he works here.
Okay, your boyfriend is not here.
He will be here after 7 p.m. So I'll be here till he gets here.
He's really your boyfriend. You're going to make him lose his job.
Okay, well then I'm not going to just give me a discount.
No one's going to give you a discount, okay? So you can either leave, or you're going to leave in handcuffs and you're going to go to jail for trespassing.
He's going to go to jail for wanting a discount.
For trespassing. That's why
For wanting a discount. So, like, all I'm asking for is a discount. That's all I want. I just want a discount, or I want them to hold my clothes. That's all I want.
She wouldn't provide ID either.
Oh, so I asked her and she...
So this is going to be another charge.
I will give you my ID. You're going to charge me for not giving you my ID.
I'm letting you know, you're free to leave right now, but once they tell us that they want to prosecute, you're going to be placed under arrest. Just so you know, so nothing's a surprise to you.
Next on 5.
I've asked you multiple times to leave.
It's trespass after warning.
Trespass after warning.
They want to press charges for trespass after
It means they want you to leave the store and you won't leave the store.
What will happen?
Go to jail.
And how long will I be in jail for?
Until someone bails you out for your $1,000 bond.
So I'm gonna go to jail because.
So right now you can leave the store and you won't go to jail.
Like I said, you're free to leave right now, but once we get told that they want to press charges, you're going to be in handcuffs and you're going to be in the back of the car.
I just want to get a discount.
You're not getting a discount.
Or I want to call these clothes.
You're not getting a discount.
Okay, I don't have money. My boyfriend has all the money.
We just told you you're not getting a discount.
I get that. That's fine, but I don't have the money.
Okay, so that means you can't buy the clothes, so you need to leave.
My boyfriend.
Then you can call your boyfriend and tell him to purchase the clothes when he comes to work, if he still has a job after this nonsense.
It is nonsense. You guys
No, the way you're acting is nonsense. You're a grown woman. You need to walk out and leave so you don't go to jail. Have you ever been to jail before?
We've talked it through.
There's gotta
I told you what is going to happen.
There's gotta be another solution, please.
I'm sorry?
Please tell me there's another solution.
There is no other solution. You can leave right now because you're not under arrest. They're asking you just to leave the store.
I don't want to get arrested for wanting a discount.
You're not going to get arrested for wanting a discount. You're going to get arrested for trespass after warning. Right now you can leave the store.
But like, if you're gonna hurt me if I don't.
Nobody's going to hurt you. You can leave the store right now.
I'm sorry, I'm shaking.
Yeah. It ain't a secret.
I don't know what so I have to go to jail.
You do.
No, you have to leave the store. If you don't leave the store, then you have to leave.
So okay, okay. So if I do not leave, I just want to make sure I'm understanding. Is it? Do you tell me my Miranda rights?
You're not detained.
Is it? What's the Miranda?
There's no reason to read Miranda. They're asking what the charge be.
It'd be trespass after warning.
They were on her trespass after warning.
And if you guys don't want to, we just leave and she stays and she'll keep bothering you until you guys decide.
Yeah. Okay. So we're trespassing her 100%. Alright, perfect, you guys. Thank you. We're trespassing her.
So you guys want to
Yes.
prosecute, and you guys will provide a sworn written statement saying that you want to prosecute.
And they said that we need to provide a sworn written statement.
Next on 5. Next on 5.
Yes.
Okay.
Perfect.
They won't let me get fucked.
They want to press charges.
Stop resisting.
So you're gonna hurt me? You're gonna
Sting.
I'm not.
Things, get up.
I'm
You
not.
want to do it behind the back right there? All right. Did you get your
All right,
notebook
I'll
back?
leave, please.
Too
I'll
late
leave
now.
Nope, too
I'll
late.
leave. I'll leave.
Nope. We already gave you plenty of ample.
She also has a
We told you that you'd be placed under arrest, and you just wanted to sit there and record on your phone. Because you thought we were bluffing. Nope. You'll get it later.
Nope. I need to record what you're doing to me right now. For wanting a discount.
Stand up.
So you're gonna just give me get up. So you're taking my phone. So you're taking all my belongings?
They're gonna go with you. Your belongings are gonna go with you.
Come on.
It's gonna go on your property.
I need my stuff. I need my stuff. There's my phone. Like, I need my things. You can't take my things from me.
You're gonna get your things.
My stuff is over there and I want it.
It's coming with us.
I need things. Stand up so we don't have to drag you. Please don't do this. Please don't do this. Please don't do this.
We told you what was gonna happen.
Get my shoe.
I got it. Check out your shoe. Come on. Stop looking up. You're gonna get another charge. Listen, can you walk
Come on.
so you don't get hurt?
Are you gonna hurt? You're
No one wants to hurt you.
No, I don't.
Please, like, don't hurt me.
I thought this was my car. It's all good. Yeah, we're already here.
Ma'am?
It's better just to put her in.
Come on, you're gonna hurt me.
No one's trying to hurt you. No one is trying to hurt you.
Please don't hurt me.
All right. Have it sit in that comfy seat.
Please don't hurt me. I just want a discount. I just want a discount.
Let's just grab.
Please, I just
What we're gonna do
I just want a
is we're gonna put her in the car backwards,
I just
right?
want a
And then you're gonna go on the other side of the car
Ma'am?
and pull her in by her
just want a
legs.
discount. You're gonna hurt me because I want a discount. You're seriously gonna hurt me because I want a discount. You're gonna hurt me.
Yeah.
You're hurting me. My arm. My arm. My arm. My arm.
Stop
please.
resisting.
Okay, go on the other side of the car.
Got her?
I won't resist. I'm sorry. Okay.
I got her feet.
I'm sorry. Ow.
The woman was charged with trespassing and resisting without violence. What do you think about her behavior? Share your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe for more police body cam videos.